Welcome back to Brain Flexor. Today we are going to test how fluent you are with the articles in English grammar. An article is a type of determiner that comes before a noun to indicate its reference or specificity. Articles help provide context and information about the noun they precede. There are three main articles in English: a, an, and the. In this challenge, we have 25 simple sentences to fill a blank with the most suitable article matching the context in 10 seconds. Count the correct answers as we will analyze your knowledge at the end of the video. Like and subscribe to have more fun and educational quizzes like this one. Let's get started. Well done. Let's see how good you are with articles. 0 to 10. You're just getting started on your English language journey. Keep practicing with more of our quizzes and you'll improve in no time. 10 to 20. You have a solid grasp of English articles, but there's still room for improvement. If you scored 20 to 25, congratulations. Your understanding of articles is impressive. Keep up the good work, stay engaged, keep exploring, and embrace the journey of becoming a language connoisseur. Check out our English grammar playlist for more quizzes. Subscribe for more intriguing challenges and embark on a voyage to become an expert in English grammar. See you soon.